I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner, then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Nutshell CRM. Give here the username and API token. So please visit the Nutshell username and API token. Add API key. Give here a meaningful name. Choose Permission API plus User Impersonation. New API key. Click on it, copy the API key and paste it on the integration site. For username, navigate to the users and teams. Copy the user email, then go to the integration site and paste it into the username. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to your Nutshell CRM dashboard and navigate to the people. And here you can see that the data successfully came in the Nutshell CRM. Thanks for watching.